ಹಲೋ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಟುಡೇ we will have a talk on social accounting. It means this concept we were discussed on June 7, 2020. Look at this. June 7, 2020 I have posted one video, PPT based video I have posted, and I have explained regarding social accounting. But today I brought notice to I would like to brought notice to you people regarding some format, revision part. So today I have a revision part regarding on social accounting. We will have a talk or learning talk on social accounting in the form of revision. Especially it is a numerical part, practical. So I have posted regarding this format and along with numericals or exercises in June 7, 2020. ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಜೂನ್ 7 2020 ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಪಿ ಪಿ ಟಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮೂಲಕ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಇದಿದೆ, ಬಟ್ ರಿವಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ರಿವಿಷನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು. ಸೊ ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೆಟ್, ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್ this presentation, four year question papers I have referred. But 4 years question papers had questions regarding social accounting. ಇಂದಿನ 4 ವರ್ಷದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ನಾನು ಗಮನಿಸಿದಾಗ ಇಂದಿನ 4 ವರ್ಷದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮೆಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಸೊ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು 10 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ಮೆಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಎವ್ರಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ 5 and 10 marks question regarding this format, numerical question. Once you perfect format, for specimen of the social accounting, social income statement, you can able to solve 5 and 10 marks question. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ 5 ಮತ್ತು 10 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಇಂದಿನ 4 ವರ್ಷದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಗಮನಿಸಿದಾಗ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೆ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಡಿಲೇ we will focus on this. So look at this, X Company Limited social income statement. Now I am going to discuss with you people only social income statement. Majority of the questions appeared in the question papers, last 4 years question papers on this concept only. Social income statement ಮೇಲೆ 4 ವರ್ಷದ question papers ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆನೇ ಬಂದಿದೆ. So look at this format, particulars rupees. First, Roman number 1, social benefits, cost, social benefits and cost to staff. First one. Next here, second one, social benefits and cost to community. Next, third one, third Roman, social benefits and cost to public. 3 interest groups are there. When you calculated Roman number 1, Roman number 2, Roman number 3, 1, 2, 3, Roman number 1, 2, 3, summation of total will be Roman number 1, Roman number 2, Roman number 3, the total will be net social income after added. So 1, 2, 3, Roman number 1, social benefits and cost to staff. Then second one, social benefits and cost to community. Then third one, social benefits and cost to public. 3 Romans total will be summation of total Roman number 1, Roman number 2, Roman number 3 total, finally net social income. This is the explanations today we will have regarding social income statement. Okay, here look at this first Roman. Here social benefits and cost to staff. Regarding this concept I spoke on 3 videos, past 3 videos before 2007, before June 2000, before June 7 to 2020. ಈ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ರಿಗಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಥಿಯರಿ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಟುಡೇ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ we were discussed on this in past, June 7 2020, June 7 2020 past, before or past, before to June 7 2020 we were discussed regarding social accounting in depth manner, in deep manner regarding theory concept. Today I don't want discuss with you people regarding theory concept. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಥಿಯರಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೆಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ 15 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು 10 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್, ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್, social services rendered different interest groups, like here staff is there, community is there, then finally Roman number 3, public is there. But how the company providing the benefits and cost to the staff, this is the main thing here. With the help of this formula or format we can solve 5 and 10 marks. But look at this, social benefits and social cost. So what do you mean by social benefits and what do you mean by social cost? We were discussed in the last video. You can go through that. Today I don't want to focus on this. I don't want to focus on what do you mean by social benefits, what do you mean by social cost. ಇದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಹಿಂದಿನ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಬೇಡ. ಇಂದಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಆನ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್. June 7 2020 ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಥಿಯರಿ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ಥ್ರೂ ದಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಸ್? The company what type of social benefits providing to the staff? Example, medical and hospital facilities. This comes under social benefits to staff. If question raised on medical and social benefits, hospital facilities, like this. Example, in past year question papers there was a question that medical facility, where do you show? So you can show that social benefit to staff. ಅಂದರೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಹೆಡ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಹೆಡ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು? ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಎರಡನೇದು, ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್. ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದು ಯಾವುದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಯರ್ question papers 2018 or 2019 or 2016, whatever it may be, past 4 years question paper. Look at this here, one more question is there. So from the following information I have taken from the books of Brahma Limited. Here plenty of information, information given: environmental improvements, medical facilities, then training program, generation of job opportunities, municipal taxes, increase in the cost of living, concessional transport, water supply. Here extra work put in the staff, encashment and leave travel benefit, educational facilities for children of staff members, subsidies, canteen facilities, generation of business. This question is arised in previous year question papers. So these items is to be shown according to this format. I will give you an example. Look at this example and you can able to solve this. First to take down the screenshot while playing the video. Okay, ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ಶಾಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮೂಲಕ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು, ವಿಡಿಯೋ ವಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ನೀವು ಏಬಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೆಟ್, after discussing or explaining this format, I am going to solve this question. Okay, this is the one example regarding this format. Here look at this: educational facilities, then canteen facilities, then recreation facilities. Okay, housing and transport, township facilities. Here recreation and entertainment and cultural facilities comes under social benefits to staff. While you solving the question, if you find this type of items, you can transfer, you can put under social benefits. Question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ತರದ ಏನಾದರೂ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಈ ಹೆಡ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆನೆ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಸ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಕಂಪನಿ ಸ್ಟಾಫಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಇವು ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟೀಸ್, ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಸ್ 1 2 3 4 5. So recreation and entertainment, cultural facilities, canteen facilities, educational facilities, medical and hospital facilities, these are the facilities provided by the company to the staff. These total will be total A. I mean total A under Roman number 1. Next here look at this Roman number 1 and B point. Social cost to the staff. Here social benefit to the staff. Here social cost to the staff. Look at this layoff. Layoff or voluntary termination, extra hours worked by executives but not paid. So these are extra hours means OT. So layoff, just like a small like a strike, like not able to work by workers in the manufacturing concern. These are the social costs to the staff. What are the costs incurred for layoff and voluntary termination of the employees? Next, extra hours worked by, I mean OT. So OT, extra hours by executives. Example, any employees worked during the more than 8 hours as per the Factors Act 1948. Factors Act 1948, every worker has to work minimum 8 hours. But more than 8 hours he did, the executives have to pay, or I mean company has to pay OT. So if OT doesn't pay by the workers, I mean executives, it comes under social cost to the staff. Here total, make this two total, two items. I mean under social cost, 2 items, it means total B. I mean A minus B. A minus B, social benefits to the staff. When exceeds A exceeds B. An example, social benefits exceeds, I mean social benefits more than social cost, the balance will be net social benefit to the staff. ಯಾವಾಗ ಎ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದು ಬಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದು ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮೊತ್ತ ನೆಟ್ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಸ್. ನೆಟ್ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಟು ದ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್. ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ವೈಸ್ ವರ್ಸ ಬಿ ಮೋರ್ ದನ್ ಎ, ದ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ನೆಟ್ social cost. Net social cost when A is less than B, or when B more than A, the balance will be net social cost to the staff. Next is Roman number 1 is over. Next, no, Roman number 2. Here look at this Roman number 2. Roman number 2 states that same social benefits and cost, but their staff, here community. So look at this, what are the social benefits to the community? Here staff, first Roman was staff, here second Roman was community. What are the social benefits to the community provided by the company? Example, so local tax paid to the Panchayat municipality, it comes under social benefits. Next, environmental improvements. As I said before, I told regarding question paper. One question paper appeared in 2018, 19, 20 paper, 16, 17, 18, 19 question paper, past 4 years question papers. Every question paper had single question regarding social accounting or social income statement. In question paper, majority of the points occurred regarding this format. I mean majority of the points what I wrote here, these points are appeared in question paper. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಗೆ ಬಂದಿರವೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ಮಗ್ಗಪ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ವೆನ್ ಯು ಏಬಲ್ ಟು grasp or able to understand this format, you can able to solve the question too. Here so-called local taxes, environmental improvements, then generation of job potentials, generation of business, these are comes social benefits to the community. Okay, then after making these totals, the balance will be total A. I mean these are, keep it in your mind or take down the screenshot or write down the points. Generation means creation of job potentials or creation of business opportunities, and environmental improvements, any company taken environmental improvements in the form of controlling the pollution or planting the trees surrounding areas like transportation sector or telephone sector or BSNL sector or any in front of manufacturing industry or company, any environmental like planting of trees like that. Next, so-called local taxes paid to the panchayat or municipality instead of community. So it comes under social benefits. Next, make this total 4 items. The total will be total A. I mean total social benefits to the community. Next, B under Roman number 2. Roman number 2 B point, social cost to the company. Here social benefits over. Next, what are the social cost under Roman number 2? Here Roman number 2 A is over. Here look at this. Roman number 1 A B. Next here Roman number 2 A B. Okay, social benefit, social cost. Which are social costs regarding the company? Here increase in cost of living in the vicinity on account of the company plants. If any company plants with nothing but not a tree, or here some big industries, big plants and machineries, ORR, it may be trees, it may be trees or plants. So any increase in the cost of living, any cost of living index, like cost of living index on education, cost of living index on miscellaneous, cost of living index on food, cost of living index on rent, cost of living index on extra payments, I mean food, shelter, like that. Any expenses paid by the company behalf of the community, those expenses is called as social cost. Social cost. So cost of living ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರದೇಶದ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ನಾವು ಈಗ ಲೋಕಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವಸ್ತುಗಳ ಬೆಲೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ರೆಂಟ್ ಮನೇಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ರೆಂಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಫುಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ರೆಂಟ್, ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ shelter, cost of living index on miscellaneous, clothing, cost of living index on clothes. So like that, these are the social cost to the community. So here B, so A minus B, the balance will be net social benefit to the community. If A is more than B, social benefits. If B is more than A, social cost. ಎ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದು ಬಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಸ್, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಅದೇ ಉಲ್ಟಾ, ಇಫ್ ವೈಸ್ ವರ್ಸ ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಎ, ದ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ನೆಟ್ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್. ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ನೆಟ್ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ವುಡ್ ಬಿ ನೆಟ್ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ರೋಮನ್. ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ರೋಮನ್, ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ದ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋಮನ್ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋಮನ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ, ಥರ್ಡ್ ರೋಮನ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್. Then what are the social benefits and cost to the public? Here, social benefit to the public by the company, I mean behalf of the public, the company takes some responsibility towards the public in the interest of employees, consumers, or community or staff. Everything is over. Here, benefits and cost to the public. First A, under Roman number 3 A, B. So here, what are the social benefits of the public? General public, taxes, duties paid to central or state government. Any taxes or duties paid to state and central government behalf of the public, it is considered as social benefits. Next B, social cost. State or central government services like electricity, telephone, postal, banking. These are comes under social cost to the general public. I mean, instead of behalf of the public, the company has to take some responsibility or some incentives. Example, here social cost. Which are social cost to general public? State or central government services like electricity and telephone charges or postal charges or banking charges. If the company paid behalf of the public, it is considered as social cost. Same thing here, any taxes and duties paid to the state or central government behalf of the public, if the company takes an incentives or took an incentives behalf of the central public, it is considered as social benefits under social benefits and the cost to the public. So here A, B. So look at the state and central services. State, it comes under electricity or anything, or it maybe comes under banking also. Then when you comes to central service, postal and telephone. Postal and telephone is purely central government. So these are the social cost incurred by the company behalf of the public. So here A minus B is equal to net social benefits. If B minus A, vice versa, ulta, B minus A, I mean reverse case, B minus A, the balance will be net social cost, not benefits, when B minus A. So here A minus B if more than A minus B is equal to net social benefits. Make this total 1, Roman number third, Roman number, this is third, this is 2, this is third, this is third, 2, then 1. 1, here 1, here 1, 2 plus 3 total. The total will be 1, Roman number 1, 2, 3 is equal to net social income. This is the way of calculating social income statement for 5 and 15 marks. So 5 and 10 marks. So next class I will come with numerical regarding this format. Regarding this specimen, I will come with 5 and 10 marks question which are appeared in the past 4 years question papers of the VSKUB, Vijayanagara Sri Krishna Devara University, Bellary. So I will come with the next session. I will come with the next block, some numericals regarding social income statement. Have a good day. Have a progressive time. Goodbye and good luck.